Your brain is stimulated by a machine, generating your whole experience. In that lineage, déjà vu becomes more than a quirk, it's a whisper from beyond the cave. A fleeting moment when the illusion falters, revealing the layers beneath perception. A reminder that what we take as solid reality could be a high-fidelity construction, biological, computational, or both. Interestingly, in mystical traditions from Hinduism's Mayato Buddhist cycles of reincarnation, the feeling that "I've lived this before" isn't dismissed as error, but recognized as a spiritual echo. The sense of repetition may be tied to timeless consciousness, re-experiencing patterns, rather than pure neural coincidence. So science calls it a glitch, spirituality calls it remembrance, and both acknowledge something extraordinary, the limits of how we know. Let's return briefly to the lab. Modern neuroscience offers frameworks as well. Researchers like Dr. Chris Moulin and Akira O'Connor describe déjà vu as the brain's internal error-checking system. When memory regions send confusing familiar signals, the frontal decision areas of the brain quickly verify and correct them. In healthy individuals, this brief misfire is harmless and even a sign of a well-functioning brain, since it shows the mind is catching inconsistencies in memory. So which is it, a glitch in your brain, or a glimpse through the veil of simulation? Maybe both views capture truth from different dimensions. Here's where it gets existential. Why do we care whether déjà vu is neurological or metaphysical? Because it reminds us that reality itself, what we believe is solid and continuous, might be a perceptual construct. Each moment, sensory data, memory circuits, maybe even lines of cosmic code, combine to create the illusion of flow. Déjà vu unsettles us precisely because it breaks that illusion. It blurs linear time. It suggests experience isn't fully bound by our conscious sequence of events. And if reality is looping, layered, or simulated, what else might slip through those cracks? The Mandela effect? Past life recall? Quantum memory overlaps? As research deepens into how the brain constructs nowness, we may ultimately discover that every moment of awareness is a reconstruction, a replay rendered new each second. So next time you feel déjà vu, don't brush it off. Whether it's neurons misfiring or the simulation skipping a frame, it's a moment that pushes you to ask bigger questions about existence itself. Maybe it's both, a natural phenomenon shaped by a deeper order. Or perhaps, for a fraction of a second, you really did catch the system recalculating. Whatever your conclusion, remember this. Beyond the science, beyond the simulation, what déjà vu ultimately reflects is the mystery of consciousness experiencing itself again and again. Reality may not be what it seems.